Yeah, what's up, guys? So much tuning back again with another video. Today we are in my E46. I got this new little DJI Action Pro 4 camera. I was just gonna do some test shots with the POV driving. I got a hat clip I'm gonna put on top of my head. Alrighty, just got some gas. Turn this down to cool 80. I forgot the freaking on BMW's up is the to activate the winch wipers. Okay, so turn off my DSC. Turn this off fully. There you go. So, if you guys see my channel, you know that I actually owned an E36 before. Then I did a whole swap on, all that good stuff. I do kind of miss that car. Because it was in some sense I miss it. The main reason why is because it doesn't have this traction control. No well, it has ABS, but it's very rudimentary. Well, it is life. So, it's very rudimentary. Throttle is all cable. So there's no this one's drive-by-wire, I believe. So comes with its own set of problems, but yeah. Just got gas. Yeah. So yeah, back on that E36 compared to E46. My E36 had a throttle by wire, so there's that. So there's a little bit more control on throttle, or excuse me, not control, customization. So there's I remember there was a little nut you can screw on or off depending, and you can adjust throttle through there. But this one, it's all electronic, which sucks. But hey, I got the car for like $600, so I can't really complain. Shout out to Leo, my buddy Leo. Plans for this car, definitely this can be like the drift car. I might as well turn it into a full-on drift car because I have I don't have any. I have a daily and whatnot, so there's that. I think the first thing I gotta fix is I have an issue with my oil pressure light flashing on and off. I don't know what it is exactly. I do know I did not replace the oil filter housing gasket on this thing, so that could potentially be it. But it only happens when the car stops. When I drive it, it's fine. It runs seemingly okay. There was also a random code that popped up here when I was drifting. Actually, two codes. I think they're fuel trim codes. It was I really should have screenshotted the codes when I was at the track and not keep on clear them and drive them, but it's whatever. I do want to my goal is to take out all the interior pieces in the back because for weight saving, and plus I can actually store I could store extra tires regardless without the rear seats, but it'd be cool to have that opening to just grab what I need. Leo actually put on SoloWorks coilovers on on this car, which they work fine, but I seen that SLR actually makes coilovers now. I think they're forgot the parent brand, but I might invest in those as well as their angle kit, or at least their budget angle kit. But the main goal with this car would be seat time practice. What really annoyed me at the track was every time I stall out, I'd have to hold my DSC button to turn off the traction control. I know there's a write-up, or I believe there's a write-up where they said that if you remove the right front wheel speed sensor, it'll turn all of that off, and you'll have your speedometer. As for the attack, I don't know. Other functions, I don't know, but that's just what was said before. The main thing I wanted to get out of this, I think I bought my camera, was testing this DJI camera, because it actually, like I said, that last 2 videos of driving, drifting. I mean, with the S2000 video, autocross video, whatever, it was better. You can see on top, but the fucking E46 video, oh my god, this shit sucked. All you can see was just this. So, I mean, so far from what I saw on the test footage, I liked it. The sound is pretty decent too, so that's good. Yeah. Maybe, and when I go to the track, that'll be definitely be better, because instead of the camera mounted on the top of my head over here, it'll be mounted on my mouth. So I'm pretty sure that'll be a little better. You know, you better guys see the road. I'm pretty sure here you can just see the top. You can see the road, but you can't see the top of the thing, the top of my car. Oh, another plan for this car is I need to get the subframe welded or reinforcement, because I don't believe the rear was reinforced. I'm pretty sure. I'm hoping, pray to God, that the rear subframe's not all fucked up. But who knows? Maybe it is. Just nature of this car. It does feel a little bit weird in the back, but it could just be because it has a welded diff. But as for the S2000, I do have plans on. That'll be my autocross / track car. So I do plan on modifying that too as well. First step would be I know the on the control arms there's a bushing that they're called lower control arm. One of the bushings basically on the control arm is I think it's shot, because I'm hearing like clunking in the front when I'm going over bumps and shit. So I'm gonna get that replaced, and then I'll invest in some coilovers. Heard a bit of clunking in the back. Hopefully that's just my rear tire that I threw in the back, just in case stuff happens. I told myself I'm just gonna be doing this, using this car for drifting and at a track, but sometimes you get the itch. So. I'm gonna turn around here. Yeah, when I was drifting, I was just like fucking like this and just turning left and right. That I don't think that really helped. It doesn't help also that my throttle control just sucks. Yeah. So I'll just do a quick little stop and turn here. Yeah, see, I think I noticed there keep on throttle. I just I don't keep on my throttle. I just kind of let go at the last moment, and I think that's the reason why I'm not getting good enough skids. Also, my tire size. I'm gonna go through here. Okay, I'm done. Yep, there you go. My oil pressure light pops up when I stop, and then when I drive, it goes on.